Metroid Dread on the Nintendo Switch with a 1080p signal on the Aorus FV43U 4K monitor. Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. In today's video, when you hook up the Switch to this monitor at default settings, which is what you're seeing on the left side of the screen, that is what you get. It's bare bones, nothing too spectacular, nothing is popping, the contrast is low, but if you compare it to my settings, my adjusted settings on the right side of the screen, you can see how beautiful you can get this image to look. To me, it's night and day, especially when you consider the black equalizer power of this monitor and the overdrive settings that you can set. It does clear up and make this 1080p signal a lot better. Many wonder how a 1080p signal could look on the Aorus FV43U or any 4K monitor. Of course, at 43 inches, a 1080p signal is not going to look that good, but thankfully you can adjust the settings in this monitor to make it look spectacular, or at least the best that it can look. Now, specifically for this video today, I'm showing you the side-by-side because I want to show you what you can achieve on this monitor. Remember, this is a VA 43-inch 4K QLED panel, and at 43 inches for PC or consoles, it looks amazing, and you can get it to look amazing. Now, I do have to go more detailed to show you the overdrive settings and the black equalizer, the brightness, the contrast, all that, and that will be in the next video coming up, but I wanted to show you the side-by-side and I wanted to show you the speaker test. The speakers here with the Space Audio technology is the best I've heard from any monitor so far that I have. And here let me show you the Metroid Dread opening. I'll have it on standard, versus mode, FPS, movie, and live concert. You be the judge. Leave me in the comment down below which one you think sounds better. So let's hear this and I'll get back to you in a bit. So again, let's take a look at the side-by-side so I can give you my play-by-play on what I'm seeing. The default settings, black equalizer is at 10, gamma is off, brightness is at 60, contrast is at 60, color vibrance is at 10. Again, everything is default, super resolution is on 0, and the overdrive setting here, just giving you a sneak peek, is off. And I'm not lying and I'm being honest with you. You know, I'll always be honest with you 100%. It looks like trash. It might not look like that from what you're seeing because on the mobile screen it might look a little bit better depending on what settings you have your phone, but it does not look good. The overdrive, you can see the smear, it's disgusting. You need to set this to picture quality. Yes, you heard that right. Not balanced like I always say for PC and Xbox and PlayStation. You need to set it on picture quality because it looks way better, but I'll show you that in the next video. But the secret sauce, the special thing that this monitor can do for low-res content, 720p, 1080p, super resolution is an amazing feature, and I have that at number 1 on my settings. It makes a drastic difference. And again, I will show you that in that video coming up, but you can see the differences clearly, especially at 43 inches. That is a must for this monitor. So if you're looking for a monitor in the future, look for that super resolution. It makes your low-res content look a lot clearer. It does make a difference. I always have it on number 1. Because it makes the whole image just look a lot better. Anything higher, it does like over sharpen, if that makes any sense. Leave it at 1 and forget about it, and it'll make your Switch, consoles, and PC look awesome. So what I'll do here, friends, is I'll leave the trailer on my preferred settings in full screen mode so it's not a side-by-side, so you can get a better look on how it looks on the Aorus FV43U. Remember, what we're doing here is a 1080p signal on a 4K monitor. You want to see if it can scale properly, if it scales well. With my preferred settings, plus with that super resolution one, it looks very, very good. And the overdrive at picture quality does make up for a lot of the smear on other presets. But one thing I will tell you is that the IPS panels that I have right now, or the Samsung Odyssey G7, or an OLED panel, or even my Neo QLED mini LED TV, does look better than the Aorus. I'm just being 100% honest with you. This monitor is primarily a PC monitor, but it can do next generation consoles very well. But with lower resolution content like the Switch, that super resolution does help it tremendously, but still the overdrive settings don't match the other kind of panel technologies. So I'm just being honest with you. So don't get this monitor for the Switch in particular. That's not the best option you can make. Other monitors are way better, especially the pixel density. But again, if you need this 43 inches with my settings, and remember, I go for vivid pop, I want to see an amazing picture every single time at 60 to 100% brightness. This is what I get, and I'm super happy at least that this monitor can run the Switch really well. I have no regrets, and if Metroid looks this good with this contrast, every other Nintendo Switch game will look amazing. So here you have it, friends. Remember, don't forget to check out the next video coming up, which I will go more in detail on this monitor. That's going to be a little long, as I want to show you the side-by-sides, and I want to slow down the video so you can see the overdrive smear and what settings you're not supposed to have it at, because if you do, look how bad it would look, you know what I mean? So look out for that video. But I hope you found this video helpful. I hope the Space Audio gave you a little glimpse of how awesome these speakers sound, and of course how beautiful this VA panel at 43 inches looks. The colors popping, the super resolution makes the 1080p of the Switch look really good. No regrets, and you can't go wrong with the Aorus FE43U. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on a future Aorus FE43U or Nintendo Switch video. I'll see you guys next time.